everybody, today I'll be showing you how to replace your factory Dodge headlights with these nice replacement headlights. So to start this off, we're going to start by removing this corner lamp here, which has your turn signal. To do that, you're going to want to remove this little Phillips head screw right in there. You can see that, and let's get started on that. So with that screw removed, this corner light will just pop right out, and you've got your bulb right here. Just give that a little twist, and your corner light is removed. Alright, so this little plastic clip right here is going to have to come out, and there's two more. I've already removed them. There's going to be one right in here and one right in here. They just hold this rubber seal on. What I did is I took a pair of pliers, you can see these, and I just slid them underneath that clip, popped them right out, and there you see it right there. Pretty easy. And then this seal is disconnected from the fender now. Alright, so the next step to removing these headlights is right here. You're going to want to take out this bolt, and down here you're going to want to take out that bolt right there. And to get a picture of where those are at, this is the headlight right here. There's that top one right there, and down there is that bottom one. So we'll go ahead and take those out. Alright, so this is where we're going to use our 10mm, and you probably need an extension to get in there. Just go ahead and take those two bolts that hold those headlights in out. There's one. To reach this bottom bolt right here, you're going to need a short extension. Reach it in there. You don't have a ton of room to work with. I'm going to come from the bottom here. And there we go. Alright, your final bolt to remove the headlight assembly is right in here. I'm going to go ahead and take off this little extension. Alright, your final bolt to take off the headlight assembly is going to be right back in here, behind where the corner light sat. And again, it's still a 10mm. Alright, now once all three bolts are removed, this whole headlight assembly should go ahead and pop right out with a little bit of jiggling. Alright, so it's a bit of a tight fit getting this headlight assembly out. So what I did is I went ahead and dropped my bumper down a little bit. You might not have to do this if you have a stock bumper, but there just wasn't enough clearance between this and the fender to wiggle this out. But once that bumper's dropped out, it should be able to kind of finagle it out, and that's how you remove the stock headlights. Alrighty, so before you go ahead and install the new headlight into the headlight bucket back in here, you're going to want to go ahead and install your headlight bulb and your turn signal bulb, your marker light. You're going to want to install that too, and make sure you know where this screw right here is, because that's going to be your adjustment screw, so you can make sure that your headlight shines in the correct area and isn't blinding oncoming traffic. So once you've located that, then go ahead and install your headlight bulb and your turn signal bulb, and we can go ahead and slide this headlight into the headlight bucket. Alright, so once you got the headlight sitting in the bucket, you're going to want to take this rubber seal that we removed off of the old headlight. Your new headlights will come with it on there. You're just going to have to take these push pins and stick them through the rubber seal and into the holes on your fender. And go ahead and get these bottom ones too. And push them all the way through so they're in there real good. Alright, so back right in here is your bolt hole. I'm going to reach around behind the bumper and go ahead and get that started. Go ahead and snug that down, not too tight because you don't want to crack that plastic bracket. So up here is going to be your top bolt hole. You're going to go on ahead and take your bolt, put it in the hole, and tighten that up just like the other ones. Alright, and then your last bolt hole is going to be right underneath the corner marker light. It's a little bit hard to see. It's right back in here. I'm going to go ahead and take the nut and go ahead and install that right now. You can see it right back in there. Alright, so if you're looking at your headlight, you're going to go ahead and crawl underneath, come in behind your headlight. This bolt right there is going to be your up and down adjustment, and might be a little bit difficult to see. I'm going to try and point it out, the screwdriver. Right up in here, if you can see that nut right there that I'm pointing at, that's your left and right adjustment. So you're going to want to make sure that you get your headlights adjusted real good so you're not blinding traffic on the road. And I'll go ahead and throw up a chart to show you how to do that. So you can see the old ones and how faded and crusty they were, and here are the new installed, and you can see how clear they're going to be and how much better they're going to light up the road. Over here is the driver's side as well.